Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of seeing those annoying recommended for you posts on Facebook? Well, you are so lucky. In today's guide, we'll show you how to customize your feed and put an end to those unwanted suggestions. Step 1, go to your Facebook settings, open the Facebook app on your mobile device, tap the three horizontal lines, hamburger menu, in the lower right corner, iOS, or upper right corner, Android, scroll down and tap Settings Privacy, followed by Settings. Step 2, Access Accounts Center, select the meta icon and select See More in Account Center. Step 3, look down at toolbar number 7. Select Add Preferences. Step 4, after being successfully navigated, you will see an Add Settings section and select it. Step 5, on the first line, select Activity Information from Ad Partners. Step 6, continue to select Review Settings with the blue icon. Step 7, select No, don't make my ads more relevant by using this information. Just follow Facebook's available instructions. You will have the cleanest and most comfortable social networking environment. Turn it off to stop seeing those suggestions. Thanks for watching the video.